Hey everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine here at Unruh Spine Center, where today I'd like to start going over some different conditions that you may be dealing with at home, and not only talk about what they are, but how you can help yourself at home deal with these issues, as well as what you might see when you do come in office to get treatment for them. All right, so the first condition that we're going to talk about is if you are dealing with pain in the bottom of the foot, and that's whether you're dealing with pain directly in the middle of the foot or potentially on the bottom in this heel area. This is known as plantar fasciitis, where what that is we have a tendon that runs from our heel bone all the way up to the ball of our foot. It helps support that bottom foot and supports that arch that we have in our foot. And whether it's just overuse injuries like running or standing on your feet with improper cushions, it can cause a lot of agitation to that tendinous sheet, which is going to give you that sharp pain, especially in the morning when you wake up. So if this is something that you're dealing with, then I have some solutions for you. A great treatment that I would recommend if you come into office with plantar fascial pain is shockwave therapy. Now, if you are unfamiliar about what shockwave therapy is, I highly suggest you go to my YouTube page where I've made some content describing everything there is to know about shockwave therapy. Today, what I'm going to do is show you an example of where and how we would treat someone that is dealing with plantar fascial pain in this bottom of this foot area here. So what we would do is we would put a little bit of gel on the bottom of the foot. And then we would take our wand, and typically we'll start at a low intensity and we'll work our way up in intensity. So typical treatment is 2,000 impulses on this machine. This was just a short example of how that treatment would work and look on you. Now granted, everyone's plantar fascial pain is different. Some people have direct pain in the middle of the foot, other people more so in this lower part of the heel area, and some people it runs along the side through here. So depending on what area you have the most discomfort in is where we would focus that treatment on you. So if you're dealing with this issue and you have any questions or concerns, feel free to come make an appointment with me, Dr. Levine at Unruh Spine Center. And don't forget to check out my YouTube page where I have a ton of different stretches and tips to help deal with various issues that you may be dealing with.